Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos like Taco Bell. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Make sure to drain any excess fat to keep your tacos from being greasy. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Finally, add 1/4 cup of water and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now let's get those shells ready. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and warm your hard taco shells for about 5 to 7 minutes. This makes them perfectly crispy and less likely to break. While the shells are warming, shred about 4 ounces of mild cheddar cheese. Freshly shredded cheese melts better and tastes much richer than pre-shredded options. Also, prepare your fresh shredded lettuce and diced tomatoes. It's time to assemble your delicious tacos. Take each warm taco shell and fill it with approximately 2 tablespoons of your seasoned ground beef. Next, generously top the meat with the fresh shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a good sprinkle of that melty cheddar cheese. For that authentic Taco Bell touch, add a dollop of sour cream and a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Enjoy your homemade creation. Your homemade Taco Bell-style tacos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately to experience the perfect combination of crispy shells, savory meat, and fresh toppings. For a complete meal, consider adding a side of refried beans or some Mexican rice. These tacos are a fantastic, easy weeknight dinner option that everyone will love. Don't forget to check the description below for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.